what I'm craving.
Forget about all this, your craving. I'm tired of all this craving. Let's get home first. This is we've been outside for two hours now. You want to eat this, you want to eat that, you want to eat that. You are not the only pregnant woman in this world.
But I'm the only one who's pregnant with your child.
So why have you not given birth? Why have you not given birth? You don't want me to start shouting. Why have you not given birth? This is the 18th month. Are you carrying the 𝙏𝙏𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪? What is all this?
I am scared if I give birth now to my baby. Have you not seen what they are doing in the hospital? Exchanging babies. Do you want me to come home with
Okay, so that's why you now want to carry it like this till eternity. You carry it and die. I need baby now. I need baby.
Wait, I will give birth. But you must help me get my visa now, go to England. When I get to England, I will give birth. Because in this South Africa, they are exchanging babies.
You can't even, will you even pass the exam that are writing now to go to England? You have to pass the African niche exam or what? You need to pass it.
I will pass it. Me, I did Afrikaans in school. I know. The man kap the hoe. The man hetir the hoe gekap. I will pass it.
That's how you will pass. You are not ready to give birth to this baby. You are not ready. Because I don't know why you'll be carrying a baby for 18 months. Are you studying a course?
But
even 18 months course, people that are doing masters have graduated, and you are still carrying a baby. I'm tired. You need to give birth, please.
But I told you, if I give birth, then they will exchange it. You want to end up with the wrong baby. Do you want me to bring another man's baby?
So because of exchange, that's why you will not. I'm tired of you. I'm going home. All these South African women, I'm tired.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.